Today I'm going to bring you another simple DIY that anybody can do, even if you don't feel like you're that crafty. This is super easy and I'm going to show you how I did it for my dining room table. I'm just making a candle centerpiece, and what I did was I used this tray that you can get in all different colors at Dollar Tree. I had actually tried to do a DIY with this and put a cricket design on it, and it didn't work out right, so I'm going to reuse it and cover it up. So I trimmed the edges off of a styrofoam disc so it would fit down on the tray, and then I just hot glued it in place. This is going to help us stick our floral in place and also elevate our center candle holder. So here I am tying on extra greenery stems onto this Dollar Tree wreath, because those wreaths you can get from Dollar Tree, you're either going to need 2 of them or extra stems to fill it out because they are pretty sparse. So here I am getting my candle holders, and I'm just gluing those in place so they don't shift around on me. And I did take my greenery wreath outside and I dusted it with white spray paint, which makes it look very snowy and super cute. And it's permanent, other than, it's different than that spray snow, because that spray snow will come off. This will stay this white and green forever. So I did that, and then I just put it around the candle holders and started filling it in with ornaments, pine cones. Here I have some of the silver lamb's ear, and I just fill in all the little empty spaces, and you can use whatever kind of decoration you want. For this centerpiece, you can use whatever kind of candles you want. I decided to use the pillar candles, but the candle holders are for stick candles, or you could even put tea lights on top. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.